Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be trying a new wash and go combo. Well, new to me. I will be mixing the Camille Rose curl maker with the Doux Mousse to see if it will define my curls and possibly elongate them. So if you're interested in seeing that video, keep on watching. Now this combo was chosen by you, my subscribers, and also my Instagram followers. I will show the results on the screen from both polls, and I can't wait to see how this combo will turn out on my hair, because I've never tried any of these products on my hair by themselves or together. So I am eager to see how it will look on my hair. So as you're seeing here, I have my hair in a plastic shower cap, as you are seeing. Reason being, I added my leave-in conditioner in the shower and I wanted it to sit in my hair just so that the product can be drunken up by the hair and my hair can reap the benefits. So I have it here, and I also want to keep my hair very wet because I want the products to work at their best. So that's what I will be doing. All right, so I'm working in the back section and I'm keeping the cap on my hair as I'm working on the back, just to keep the moisture in my hair. So like I said, the back section is, well, my hair is pretty wet, and here is what the back section is looking like. Pretty wet. It has leave-in conditioner in it already, and what I'm gonna do is split the section in half so that I can work better. I'm probably going to split this in a smaller section just to start, because I really want as much definition as possible, and I have learned that if you want maximum, well, sorry, as much definition as possible, you work in small sections. So that is what I am doing. You see my hands are pretty wet. I don't know if you could see, but my hands are pretty wet. And I'm gonna put this part back in and just focus on this section right here. All right, so I will add the curl maker first. So I will add a decent amount. This is about 5 pumps of the curl maker. What the consistency looks like. It's really jelly. It really does feel jelly. Slightly thinner than a typical hair gel like Wetline Extreme, but from what I've seen, gives great hold. But I don't want to go with biased opinions, so I will keep an open mind emulsifying the product as I would have done for the other gel that I had used in my hair for the B-part sleek ponytail. And here is what it's looking like in my hands. You can't really see that much, but I'm just going to put it in my hair now. And it feels really nice in my hair so far. I hope I don't need a lot of gel because I am not someone who likes to use that much product because I don't like how it feels on my hair. Plus, I'm a low porosity natural, and I just find that my curls don't really absorb the product that much. So using my Tangle Teaser, as you would have seen me use for the first time in my video, I compare two brushes. There's not that much curl definition from what I'm feeling, but with the mousse, I think it should help. Let me just add a little bit more. I added 4 extra pumps. My ends are starting to get defined, and I'm starting to feel sections clumping, so that is a fairly good sign. There's not that much curl definition right now from, again, what I'm feeling, but I'm just going to go in now with the mousse depth. I don't want to add that much mousse, especially since the creator said not to. Well, you don't need to add that much mousse to get your curls defined, but I'll start with 2 pumps of mousse. Ooh, my hair feels my hair feels nice. It really does. Ooh, my hair feels nice. My hair feels so nice. My hair definitely feels nice with this. Oh wow. Okay. 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 Y'all saw that extra curl definition, right? Yup. I love this. I love this combo so far. As I'm applying it to my hair, yep, I love this combo. It's making my hair feel really soft at the moment. I think it's also because I added the leave-in conditioner prior to adding the styling products. And on the Camille Rose bottle, it said for softer curls add the leave-in conditioner that is in the collection, but since I don't have it, I decided to use one that went well. And here are my results with both the mousse and the gel, the curl maker. So I'll be back with the finished wet results. Okay, so I am done, and these are the wet results. I will do my 360 as I usually do so that you can see everything. I don't know how I feel about my hair yet, especially because my hands do have a kinda greasy, kinda slippery feel to it, especially when I touch my hair. So I will see how it dries, and here is what I used from the curl maker. And I don't think I used that much mousse. I ended up doing 3 pumps on every section, especially since that's the recommended amount to use on the hair to prevent flaking. So I used it, and I don't necessarily feel like I used too much of the product. There's still quite a bit in the bottle from what I could feel. Overall, so far I can say that I enjoyed how my curls clumped together with the mousse added, but the curl maker by itself, I would have to see how it behaves without a leave-in conditioner. But with a leave-in, my curls aren't that defined, which I don't necessarily prefer. So I will be back when the results are dry. All right guys, so it is the next day, and I'm just showing you my hair after I've gotten ready for the day while I'm going out this day. So I am taking off my bonnet, and my scarf is also on my hair to give it an extra layer of protection. So as you're seeing, I'm just taking everything down, and my hair is extremely flat, but I'm going to give it a nice shake so that my curls can be loosened. This is what I typically do whenever I wear a wash and go, and I'm just putting my hair how I'd want it to fall. And in the next clip, after I have returned, I will share my final thoughts, so stay tuned for that. All right, so I am back with my final thoughts on the combo, and here are the results. I will just show you before I get into my final thoughts. All right, so I am not necessarily a fan of this combo. Reason being, it feels gummy, and I'm not sure if it's due to the fact that I put a lot of curl maker on each section, but my hair feels gummy, and there is a little bit of flaking right here. And if I touch my hair, like I said, it feels gummy. You could literally feel the product on your hair, not necessarily the mousse, but you could just feel the curl maker on your hands. There are some specks that come on my hand whenever I touch my hair, so I'm not really a fan of this combo. I did like the wet results, but the dried results, I actually had to diffuse my roots because they weren't drying, and I thought that the gumminess would have gone away when I had finished diffusing, because that's what it felt like. But earlier today, when I had taken off my scarf, the gummy feeling was completely there. But as of right now, my hair doesn't feel as gummy. You can still feel that there is product there, but it's not as bad. So I would have to give this combo a 6 out of 10, because although my curls are really defined, I just don't like how my hair feels. And I think it's due to the fact that I put a lot of gel. So maybe next time I will put a little, well, a lot less. But it's not a bad combo for somebody who loves wash and go with a soft hold. I don't mind the soft hold, but I can't necessarily stand the gummy feeling. I don't like a dry wash and go either, but the gummy feeling is just a no for me. And yeah, this is pretty much it. The product is really sitting on my hair strands, while the gel is sitting on parts of my hair, so I'm not sure what's up with that. But it was an okay combo. I would love to try the curl maker by itself or with another product to see if it will make a difference, or I would love to try the Doux by itself. Let me know in the comments if you want to see me try the curl maker by itself for a wash and go, or just for any other style, and whether you want to see me try the Doux Mousse Def for a wash and go or any other style. Yes, so that is my thought on this combo. I may do things differently the next time that I try this combo. Who knows? I may never try it again. Who knows? But yes, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you are interested in natural hair content, definitely subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload, and like this video and share it with someone who is interested in trying a new wash and go combo, especially one with the Camille curl maker and the Doux Mousse Def, but has no idea how it will work on their type 4 hair. Definitely send this video to them. And thank you so much for watching once more, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.